Hello, good evening. Welcome to our channel Yushi Talks. And today we are going to talk about Isaac Martinez from My 600 Pound Life. We will talk about how he went on to put so much of weight and how did he go from being the homecoming king to a homebound caretaker of his mother and siblings. And we will also talk about the near death experience that he faced, which urged him to lose around 661 pounds. We have a lot of details around this. Please continue to watch this video and also subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Isaac Martinez is the latest one to be seen on My 600 Pound Life with his story summarized as Life Revolves Around Food. The 23-year-old who lives in Hutchins, Texas recounts his tragedies and weight loss. Isaac helped raise his siblings after his mom suffered a debilitating stroke when he was just 10. While learning to cook for his family, he began comfort eating. Now, to avoid eating himself to death, Isaac must learn to take care of him for a change. So, let's talk about him as a baby. Isaac's mother, Jane Martinez, was just 5 months along with her first son, Isaac Martinez, when she went into labor. The doctor had to pump steroids into her system in order to hold off the early delivery. They were successful at that point, but when Isaac finally arrived in the world, a long list of life threatening complications accompanied him. So, when did he start gaining all this weight? Since birth, Isaac was a hypersensitive kid. That meant that he couldn't just eat anything without having an allergic reaction. That was the main reason that he was an underweight child during his early years. However, things started to get better for him after a point. When he could finally eat without getting sick, it was a moment of joy for his entire family. Whatever he asked for, he received. But that soon proved to be detrimental for him. The sweet love that baby Isaac received from his family went on to become the building blocks for his obesity. At 6, he had already gained an unbelievable 100 pounds, and that's when his overweight journey began. We'll talk a little bit more about his life and the journey of Isaac Martinez. Narrating his early life, Isaac called the period between 7 to 10 years as one of the worst phase in his life. During that time, he lost his grandmother, who was his second mother. Not just that, Isaac's family lost the house they were living in and had to move with an aunt. His mom suffered a stroke and had to relearn to function, including learning how to talk and walk again. Isaac had to assume the role of a mother immediately for his younger siblings, three brothers and one sister, Angelisa. The responsibility of taking care of his mother too fell on his shoulders, and he tried to do everything possible in his capacity. By the time he was 13, he had already reached 300 pounds. Even then, nothing was out of his reach, and he had a pretty sociable life. Now, there are some good memories from his childhood as well, so let's talk a little about that. Many overweight people do suffer from trauma and insecurity, but that was never the case with Isaac. A popular kid in high school, he was never bullied for his size. Did you know that he was also the runner up for the friendliest kid tag in school? Not just that, he went on to become the homecoming prince in his sophomore year and was also handed over the responsibilities of the class president and student council. Isaac loved music and played the saxophone, piano, trumpet while growing up. He was part of the marching band as well. So, when did he become homebound? Isaac was 16 years old when he reached 450 pounds, and that is when his weight started to hold him back. He started to have trouble moving from class to class, but despite his difficulties, he graduated. He received a full scholarship from a university in Houston. However, his mother once again fell sick, this time being diagnosed with stage 3 uterine cancer. Isaac dropped everything to be by his mother's side. He went back to Houston to pursue his studies after his mother got a little better, but by that time he had lost his scholarship and had to come home permanently. So Isaac Martinez and his family's unhealthy eating habits. When Isaac returned back home, he picked up the responsibilities of his mother. His job was to feed the whole family. In the trailer, he can be seen taking out a crate of 60 eggs, syrup, pancake batter, and bacon. However, he isn't able to stand and cook and needs to move to the living room where they have a preparation table set up. Isaac's mother and his sister Angelisa are close to weighing as much as he does. The rest of the siblings are average size and so is his father, but the eating habits of the entire family, as seen in the trailer, seem to be extremely unhealthy, and that could be one of the prime reasons why Isaac kept gaining weight. So, is Isaac's family enabling his unhealthy eating? In the promo, the family was seen polishing off the stacks of pancakes, runny eggs, bacon for breakfast. Another point in the episode, stacks of pizzas were brought in for the weekend pizza night. After a while, when the entire family stopped eating pizza, Isaac continued munching on, claiming he wasn't satiated yet. Sadly, no one tried to question or stop him. So, did he almost die? What happened at that time? Isaac had lymphedema in his left leg and it got infected, after which he made a quick visit to emergency room. Doctors diagnosed it as cellulitis and started to treat it with antibiotics, and during that time Isaac began to lose consciousness and slipped into coma. He had also suffered a cardiac arrest, and recalling at that time, Isaac said he wanted to talk to his siblings because he felt like he was about to die. What led Isaac Martinez to visit Dr. Now for weight loss surgery? Isaac's near death experience at the ER was a wake up call for him, and he wanted to live for himself and his mother, and that's why he made an appointment to go see Dr. Now. Isaac had to travel to Houston, which was 10-hour journey to and fro, and he was skeptical about getting a loan, but he made it. At the way in, it was found that he weighs around 661 pounds. Doctor Now analyzed his statistics and asked him to lose 80 pounds, after which he said he would approve him for surgery. Armed with a 1200 calorie per day diet and exercise, Isaac was ready to make a change. He said he had the discipline and the willpower, but he needed a fire under his butt, and a consultation with Dr. Now was just that. So, will he be able to lose all the extra pounds? Do let us know in the comment section, and also subscribe to my channel. So that's all I have for today. Thank you for watching me. You have a wonderful day ahead. Bye bye.